On 2nd March 2026, the Directorate General of Shipping, in partnership with the Government of Goa, will convene the Goa Coastal State Workshop in Goa. This workshop represents a structured effort to align national maritime priorities with state-level implementation. We look forward to your participation in Goa as we collectively identify state-driven priorities and develop a clear, time-bound roadmap to advance India's blue economy.
Namaskar to all. Under Maritime India Vision 2030 and Maritime Amrit Kaal Vision 2047, India's maritime sector is entering a new phase of growth focused on stronger coastal governance, better infrastructure, improved safety and sustainable development. In this direction, the Directorate General of Shipping, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, in partnership with Government of Goa and Captain of Ports, Goa, is organizing a Goa Coastal State Workshop in Goa on 2nd March 2026. This workshop is a focused platform to align national maritime priorities with action at the state level in Goa. It will bring together senior government officials, maritime authorities, port representatives, shipyards, industry leaders and experts in Goa to identify state-specific opportunities and practical solutions. Our discussions will focus on 6 maritime pillars. Through Pillar 1, we want to strengthen maritime safety and casualty response coordination. Pillar 2 will focus on developing shipbuilding, ship repair and ship recycling ecosystems. Pillar 3 addresses training, quality and zero tolerance for corruption in maritime training institutes. Pillar 4 links crewing and employment growth with ethical manning standards. Pillar 5 will align maritime growth with sustainability and decarbonization goals. Finally, the Pillar 6 will enhance coastal shipping, inland navigation and maritime multimodal connectivity to strengthen supply chains. Most importantly, this is not just a discussion forum. Our goal is to develop a clear, time-bound implementation roadmap with defined responsibilities and measurable outcomes. I warmly invite all stakeholders to join us in Goa as we work together to strengthen coastal maritime governance and advance India's blue economy. Thank you, and I look forward to your participation.